I'm quite often asked, oh, I have X condition. Does that mean I can't have Bowen? There are very, very few conditions that are actually contraindicated for Bowen where it's not safe to do them. Most people are able to have Bowen quite safely, regardless of their age, their level of physical mobility and strength and health. So if you have cancer, it can be really beneficial. Bowen is well known to be really beneficial for cancer patients. It won't cure the cancer, unfortunately, but it will help alleviate a lot of the symptoms, and it can make you feel a lot better in yourself. It can also counteract some of those nasty side effects from the chemotherapy or other treatments that you're having. So that's really beneficial. It's fine if you've got a heart condition. As long as you're not actively having a heart attack at that moment, you're pretty much safe to have Bowen. If you've had a stroke in the past, you can equally have Bowen. You can't have it if you're on statins. And it's not because of the statins themselves, it's the reason you're on the statins that's the problem. So I can't treat you if you have statins, if you have vertebral artery syndrome, which means you can't look up and to the left for 30 seconds, and that's like that. If you can't hold that position for 30 seconds, I can't treat you. I can treat you if you're asthmatic. Bowen is brilliant for asthma. I can treat you if you're epileptic, if you're diabetic, if you have angina, if you have any kind of mental problem, as long as you're not going to attack me, then I can treat you. So there's pretty much nothing that will be a no. If you do have a long-term health condition and you're not sure if you can have Bowen, best thing to do, first of all, ask your doctor. If you have got something that's a bit unusual, then I'm probably going to ask you to get your doctor's permission to be treated anyway, just to be safe. If your doctor's happy, or if you're under the care of a specialist, ask your specialist. If they're happy, then there's absolutely no problem. I will be able to treat you. So don't worry. If you do have a health condition, just ask.